Hello everyone and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. Today I'm going to share with you a small recipe for making overnight oats. This is a peanut butter and chocolate chip based overnight oats recipe and it tastes very good. Now we are going to get started. We need a bowl or a cup or a mug or something, and I prefer to use a large one so that it's easier for me to eat from there. First ingredients is oat, just classic oats, and I'm taking quarter cup of it, and that's good enough for one person, or I can say good enough for me. If you want to add a little bit more or less, you can do that. Now I'm adding same quantity of milk. I'm using cow's milk. You can go for any milk of your choice. Next is some antioxidants. I'm putting some chia seeds, around a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half. And now some flavoring. I have added some cinnamon powder, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Next is peanut butter. Now I have a tablespoon of peanut butter here, the smooth variety, and I have microwaved it so that it's easier to spread. You can go for smooth or the ones with bits, it doesn't matter, it's your preference. Next, I'm going to add some chocolate chips here. It's dark chocolate chips, and it's going to give me some crunch, even though it's an overnight oat, but the chocolate chip is not going to melt at all. Finally, I'm adding some honey, around a tablespoon or maybe a tablespoon and a half, something like that. It depends on your own preference. It's all done. Everything is in the flavors, the sweetness, the milk for softening the oats. Everything is in. What I like to do is give it a stir. So just use a spoon. You can stir it completely, or you can just give a rough stir and then leave it overnight in the fridge. Now, here is one thing. Although it's called overnight oats, you can actually have it after 4 or 5 hours, and I have done that in the past. And all you need is the oats to soak and get softened. So stirring is done and it will go in the fridge for the night. And I like to put some sort of cover on top. I don't know if it's absolutely necessary, but I always do that. And it's ready, and I'm going to take it out. It's the next morning, and here I have the bowl. So everything has softened, and this one actually is very tasty because it has the nutty flavor from peanut butter and sweetness from honey and chocolate chip. It's just great. Let me know your thoughts on the comment box. I would love to read them. Thank you, everyone, and bye.